Onions are a kitchen staple that appear in many dishes, and there's a good reason for that. That's why if you've ever cooked recipes from your mom, grandma, social media, or anywhere, you may have noticed that several recipes call for onions more often than not. Whether they are raw, chopped, sauteed, or softened, onions are an extremely versatile ingredient, bringing not only delicious flavor, but also some incredible health-related benefits. If you're concerned about your health, you may want to consider adding more onions to your diet. The antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties onion contain make consuming onions great for your heart's health. Not only that, but they are also highly nutritious and delicious. Watch further to discover these 10 health benefits of onions and how they can make a delicious difference in any meal. Welcome and welcome back to this channel. To my returning viewers, thank you for your encouragement always. If this is your first time on this channel, you're welcome also. Number 1, onions have many antioxidants. Antioxidants may help prevent cell damage by fighting free radical molecules. Free radicals are developed when the body is exposed to radiation or tobacco smoke. These molecules can cause diabetes, heart disease, and cancer. So by eating onions, you can help your body fight free radicals and improve your overall health. Number 2, helps regulate blood sugar levels. If you have diabetes, onions are an excellent way to help keep your blood sugar levels steady. The flavonoids in onions work to keep blood glucose levels stabilized. If levels are low, you might experience symptoms such as fatigue, anxiety, headaches, and many other signs. Number 3, improved digestive health. Onions contain a high amount of prebiotics and fiber. These compounds help improve gut health by aiding digestion in the body, strengthening the immune system, and lowering inflammation. The fiber content in onions further contributes to digestive health by promoting regular bowel movements and preventing constipation. Number 4, onions are loaded with nutrients. Onions are considered to be a nutrient-dense food. This means that they contain a small number of calories and many nutrients. They are a great source of potassium and manganese. Potassium helps to increase energy and your metabolism. Number 5, anti-inflammatory properties. Onions contain an important antioxidant called quercetin. Quercetin makes onions a potential ally in the treatment of bladder infections, reducing discomfort and inhibiting the growth of infection-causing bacteria. Its benefits extend to aiding conditions like arthritis, helping to alleviate joint pain and stiffness by inhibiting inflammatory molecules. Number 6, may help with cancer. If you're concerned about your risk of developing cancer, you may want to consume more onions. The sulfur compounds, flavonoids, and antioxidants found in onions contribute to their anti-cancer properties. Researchers found moderate consumption of onions appeared to reduce the risk of colorectal, laryngeal, and ovarian cancers. While onions should not be considered a stand-alone treatment for cancer, incorporating them into a well-balanced diet may offer additional support in conjunction with conventional medical approaches. Number 7, reduces risks of Alzheimer's disease. Studies have been conducted to discover the relationship between quercetin and Alzheimer's disease. These studies showed a significant association between consuming food high in quercetin, such as onions, and having a lower chance of developing Alzheimer's. Number 8, great source of vitamin C. Did you know that onions contain a high amount of vitamin C? Vitamin C is a crucial component for maintaining optimal bodily functions, and onions are a fantastic source of this vital vitamin. Vitamin C helps the formation of blood vessels, improves your immune system, and builds cartilage. Additionally, vitamin C is renowned for its immune boosting properties. helping the body defend against infections and illnesses. Number 9. Supports bone health. Studies have proven that onions improve bone density in some people. The result, the consumption of onions may help strengthen the bones and reduce the risk of fractures for people over the age of 50. The nutrients found in onions, including manganese, which supports connective tissue and bone health, may play a role in fortifying the skeletal structure. Number 10. Antibacterial properties. The antibacterial properties of allicin in onions help the colon fight off harmful bacteria. Allicin is a compound that gives off the unique, pungently strong smell of an onion. It also contributes to a healthier gastrointestinal environment. Now, that's something to cry happy tears about. As with any health-related consideration, consulting with healthcare professionals is advisable for comprehensive guidance and personalized recommendation. Thank you for staying to the end of the video. If you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so, as it will help this channel grow and help others discover this useful and educating content. To my next video, bye and God bless you.